on, parachute. Where's the parachute? Parachute. Yay.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. So this is the official welcome to the 20th anniversary open house and awards picnic for RASC Toronto Centre. It's really great to see how many people are here today, and of course with the successful rocket launch and wonderful weather, it's going to be a good afternoon. You know, this is the 20th anniversary open house, and you know, it's almost like yesterday when just over 20 years ago I received a phone call from Cliff Carr at my office asking me if I had some time to talk about a small donation that he had in mind. That was in September of 1997. A couple of months later, after quite a number of phone calls and email exchanges, a group of us drove up here from Toronto on a cold November weekend when the road that you came up today was actually coated in about probably 5 centimeters of ice. And we drove up here and parked in this area, which is now the parking lot, in snow up to our ankles, and did an inspection. And inside the house, there's a big binder of photographs that I took that day and over the next few years that document that visit, as well as the first open house, and then some of the work that went on since then, including the construction of the GBO, which you see next to us here. Talking about the GBO, there's a lot of new people here, and you're probably wondering, what do we mean, who is Jeff Brown? And I'm very happy to say that after a number of years being away from here, we actually have Jeff Brown here with us, with his partner Sharon. So Jeff, please stand up and take a bow, because Jeff was an architect, and it was his concept and his work that got us the GBO. So Jeff, it's good to have you back here, and thank you so much for all you did for us in the early years here on the site. What we're going to do now is to recognize a few of our members who have, through contributions to the center in various ways, contributed to good and welfare, and we've been able to come up with some awards to present to them. First up, I'd like to call on a few members to receive Ontario Volunteer Service Awards. These are part of the provincial government's citizenship and culture program to recognize volunteerism, and as a charitable organization, we are allowed to nominate up to 2 youth members and 6 adult members for these awards every year. We did have 6 nominations for adults and 1 youth member, and the youth member and one of our adult members were able to attend the government organized presentation ceremony that was held in late May. The others were not able to attend that ceremony, and so the government sent us the awards materials, and I'd like to be able to present those to our recipients today. So the first one up is for a 5-year volunteer service award, and that's to Stephen McKinney. So there you go. Congratulations, and thank you very much for all you do. I have another 5-year award that goes to Kirsty Mima. And there you go. Thank you. Oh, and I forgot, we do have another 5-year award, and it's to Charlene Norgrove. Congratulations, and thank you so much. have a 10-year award, which goes to Blake Nancaro.
Where's your tie?
Congratulations, and thank you so much. We have one other 10-year award, which was given to Lila Zikmanis, and we'll arrange to present that at a center meeting back in Toronto. Next is the Center's Awards, which are to recognize achievements by individuals, particularly over the previous year. And we rely on not only the various committee chairs, but also other members to give us suggestions for those awards. And the first one I'm going to announce is the Ostrander-Ramsay Award for Excellence in Astronomical Writing. And last year, unfortunately, Brenda Shaw, who was our recipient, was unable to attend the awards ceremony, but she is here this year. So I'm going to ask Brenda to come up and receive her certificate and get a shot with the it's a bit late, but I'm glad to be able to finally present you with the actual award. So we somehow misplaced this certificate, and so I actually printed you out a second one. So now you got two. Plus, of course, bragging rights to the plaque itself. Yeah. So congratulations and thank you so much. Our 2017 recipient is not here today, unfortunately. He had other commitments. But I'm very pleased to announce that this year's recipient for 2017 is Peter Hiscox. So we will again be presenting this to Peter at a meeting in Toronto. Next one up, the Ray Thompson Award for Excellence in Astroimaging. And I've got the right envelope, unlike other awards ceremonies. The recipient this year of the Ray Thompson Award is Rick Foster. So, congratulations, sir, and let me just give you the plaque, which, again, you can hang on to for the next year and display along with the certificate. So, and there you go. So, congratulations. Okay, the next award is the Topham Award, which is for the Observer of the Year. Who shall it be?
Not me.
Well, the recipient is Blake Nancaro. So, there you are, sir. Congratulations. And there you go, sir. Congratulations. Okay, next award is the Jesse Ketchum Award for Astronomical Equipment. And this year the award goes to Vikas, Artesh, and Arushi Nath. To display in your home.
Thank you.
So congratulations to all of you, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Let
And
Rishi hold it.
Yeah.
yeah, I'll let you guys hold on to that.
There we go.
There we go.
Good.
Thank you.
Our next award is the Andrew Elvins Award for Promotion of Astronomy. And this one goes to Andrew and Betty Reed.
All right.
So you're going to have to step away from the camera and the control module.
Here we go.
Thank you. One more award to announce, and that's the President's Award, the Wernerals Award. And unfortunately, our recipient could not attend today's proceedings. But let me announce that it's Allard Schipper who is the recipient of this award. We'll arrange to present that to him back in the city. Okay, so that ends the formal awards presentations part of the program. And I'm going to turn the mic over now to Phil Chow to take care of the door prizes.
The draw for the grand prize, which are, I guess, is or are, 4 eyepieces, which span a range from short focal length around about 6 or 6.5 up to 30 millimeters. So the grand prize, 450, 450. Tom, all right.
Why did that seem appropriate?
Thanks, everybody. So the barbecue is hot.
Yeah, group
We have a group photo to do first, and we're going to do that on the I guess northwest lawn.
Yeah, don't be shy. Tim. Okay, Rick, can you move over?
We have to wait for Ralph.
Ralph, why do we have to wait for him? No, okay. Okay, Ian Wheelband is the edge. Okay. Okay? Okay, so everybody should see the flash. No, the white flash. Okay, who didn't see the flash? All right, we got to do it again.